Alright, so today I'm working on a little project for Grandma. Grandma's in her 90s and having trouble with her hands. Arthritis is taken over and she has trouble grabbing stuff and like pushing buttons. She has a little medic alert necklace thing, pendant I guess you would call it, and she can't even push the button on it. I think she has one on her wrist, but she has trouble pushing the button. So today I'm going to make her a little tool. I've actually already made one of these, but I'll make her another one. It's pretty simple. This is a little pin you'd use for your cell phones. Little touchscreen handlebar grip, bicycle handlebar grip, and this is just some dense foam. I don't know, it's probably some packing for something I received shipping, but kept a couple blocks of it just in case. So let me show you how I put this together. Okay, so cut the ring off, whatever you call that, little ring of rubber around there, because you don't really need that, because your pin's going to be, your stylus, it's going to be sitting like that. What I did is I took a couple little pieces that I hadn't trimmed up, and I just packed them down in there. Packed them down in there to where that's going to be sitting where I want it to, and you'd have to push pretty hard to compress it. So just pack the bottom of that thing. It looks like it feels like it's about to right there, just packed full of the foam. And I got another piece cut, trimmed so I can just barely squeeze in there. So what I'm going to do is slice this to where I can get this pin in there, and then slide it in there. Leaving a little extra, even though I think it's about there, leaving a little extra so I can really compress the stuff in there. There you go. It's not the prettiest thing in the world, but for someone whose hands don't work that well and can't grip something small, that's nice and big, easy to grip, it's soft, and she can press that little button on her wrist.